How to clone an app on iPhone. So it's real easy to do. So if you want to clone an app, it only takes a couple steps. So obviously we have all the apps that we get from the App Store itself, but you can clone it. So I'm going to choose my Facebook to clone. So as you see, I have my Facebook, it's open. I'm just going to close this. And what you want to do is go to Safari and we're going to type in Facebook and we will go in there and log in. As you see, mine's already logged in. So once you have this open and you're on the browser itself, what you want to do is go to your share button and you want to click on more, the three dots. And basically what you want to do from here is select add to home screen. So what this is going to do is add this to your home screen, so it will be the browser version. You don't have to change anything here, and go ahead and hit add. So as you see here, this is the app. So if I were to open this up, this opens up the web browser version of it. And then we can close that down and we can go back and find your original Facebook app. And this is the app version. So it's real easy to clone your apps to have two different versions on there. And that's it.